Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss the best strategy to maintain account health on Cash App. Alright, so let me share with you the best strategy for this. Now, the best strategy to maintain account health on Cash App is two things. One, consistency, and two, compliance. Keep your accounts fully verified with accurate, up-to-date information. Avoid sudden changes in behavior, such as rapid high-volume transfers or unexplained activity. Use Cash App within its intended purpose and avoid prohibited transactions. You also want to make sure that you monitor activities regularly and address issues promptly. Consistent, transparent usage signals reliability and reduces the likelihood of freezes, limits, or reviews over time. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, comment, share, and subscribe for more helpful financial insights. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.